welcome to my channel. My name is Luisa. How are you? Today we're going to be doing this beautiful light pink makeup look, perfect for the new year, as I hope it is a season of bright beginnings for all of you. I thought it'd perfectly match. Anyways, today, as I said, we're doing a beautiful light pink makeup look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do not forget to hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. Alrighty, let's begin. For this makeup look, we're going to be using the Forever Flawless Flamboyance, that's a mouthful, eyeshadow palette by Makeup Revolution London. And for the first color, we're going to be using this one that you see here called Encanta. We're going to be using a small fluffy brush to apply this all over the crease of our eyes. Just wanted to quickly jump in here and say welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thanks again for clicking on this video. If you have any questions about the makeup look, the product, other products you want me to try out, so on and so forth, anything related to beauty, please don't hesitate to comment that down below and I'll be sure to respond. For the second color that we're going to be applying, it's going to be this beautiful bright pink that you see here called Flock. Yes, that is a shape of flamingo that you see there. I really love this eyeshadow palette, but we can go into that later. Anyways, we're going to be using another small rounded brush. In this case, I'm using a small rounded fluffy brush, smaller than the one I just used previously, to apply this all over the outer corner of our eyelids. Here you see me using the back part of my Falsies eyelashes case. Really, it's just like cardstock paper, the only cardstock paper that I have. So yes, I'm applying it on there, or holding it there, because I do not want any of the fallout of the product, if there's any, to fall onto my face or onto my foundation. Just a quick tip of mine. The next step is to blend. I say this in every video, honestly, but blending is key. Whatever makeup look that you're doing, you need to blend things out because you don't want it to look choppy. It needs to look all well blended, smooth together. So in this case, we're going to be using the same small fluffy brush to blend in Flock and Encanta. For the third color, we're going to be using this beautiful pink, I think one of my favorite pinks I've ever seen, but anyways, it's called Plume. And we're going to be using a small flat brush to apply this from the inner corner of the eye all the way to the little more than the halfway point where you meet the color Flock. Here, I say no setting spray needed. In some cases where you're applying a shiny color or basically anything that has glitter, things can fall out, fall away, so on and so forth, and it may not apply as well. Also depends on the quality of the product. But anyways, in this case, you don't need setting spray. I think the color applies on beautifully onto the eyelid, as you see here. For the next step, we're actually going to be applying the same colors that we did on the eyelid onto the lower lash line. So first, I'm using the same small flat brush, but I'm using the tip of the brush to apply the color Plume from the inner corner to about halfway, just a little bit past halfway on the lower lash line. Then you're going to see me applying the color Flock with the same small rounded brush that I used to apply it previously onto the lid. If that is difficult for you, if you find yourself stabbing your eye, that is a-okay. Please use a small flat brush instead. The same thing, tip of the brush to apply it from the middle part of the lower lash line to the outer corner. One last step. This is something I decided last minute, but I really like this beautiful color you see here, Breeze. It is white, it has a bit of glitter to it, but I thought it would just brighten obviously the inner corner, but brighten up the look just a bit more. So again, I'm using a small flat brush. I'm using a teeny tiny one. If you have one, great. If you don't, a medium sized one works as well. Either way, small flat brush to apply this just to the inner corner. That's it. You see how beautifully it brightens up the inner corners of the eye. And this is the final look, ladies and gentlemen, with eyelashes, with eyebrows, with everything. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Please do not hesitate to hit that like button, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. Alrighty, take care. Bye.